Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepared this super easy, really simple canapé. This is a cucumber, avocado, and shrimp canapé. I do hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Turn on your post notifications. You can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, please go and follow me on Instagram at Alicia's_kitchen. Now, let us cook. So guys, for the shrimp, I'm going in with 1 teaspoon of oil. I'm just going to coat the shrimp with that. Then I'm going to be adding my season. Now for this season there, I have 1 teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon onion powder, and 1 teaspoon seafood season. Now guys, I did not really use all of this. I think I only went in with 3 tablespoons and that was basically it. So you just want to coat your shrimp with all that season. And guys, this recipe was super simple, super easy, as you guys can tell. Like, this is just a simple canapé, you know, just a really simple appetizer. So now guys, in a skillet on medium heat, I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of canola oil. I'm gonna allow that to heat. Then I'm gonna be searing my shrimp. Now for the shrimp guys, I will be searing these for about 3 minutes on each side. Guys, ensure not to overcook your shrimp or it's just gonna get tough and rubbery. Now guys, for this shrimp, I'm looking for a beautiful golden sear. Just like this, like these were perfect, absolutely amazing. Now we're gonna be removing our shrimp, then on to the next item. So guys, for our guac, here I have 2 avocados. I'm gonna be mashing these with a whisk. I find that I find that it works better for me. You guys can use a fork if that's your preference. Now you just want to mash those avocados. And then I'm going in with my lemon juice. And that was actually 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, guys. Parsley and red onions. And there you have our guac, guys. You guys can go ahead and add salt and pepper to taste. So now guys, I'm spooning the guac onto our cucumber slices. You guys can also go ahead and use a piping bag just to make it a bit, you know, nicer. I was literally doing this for myself, you know, so yeah. So now I'm placing our shrimp onto that guac. And guys, when I tell you, oh, this was so good. This was amazing. Like all those flavor like coming together, the cucumber, the guac, and the shrimp with all the season and spices. Guys, I promise you, like this was so good. You guys have to try this. I'm not sure if I've ever made an appetizer on my channel. Have I? I'm not really sure, guys, you know, but this, I think this is my first canapé, I should say. This is actually my first canapé. I think I want to do more of this because it's super easy, it's super simple, really convenient. You know, it's just something like if you guys have your friends over, this is something that you guys can, you know, really make. Now we've come to the end of the video. I do hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Turn on your post notifications. You can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. I thank you guys once more for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.